And remember, before we place another, we had 544 followers. So all we need to do is to leave Facebook like this and come back again, right, like this, and go to our profile, and you can see right here currently we have 644 followers, which means that the followers I have already counted. And guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys smart way to boost your Facebook followers fast in 2026, and all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. So I'm going to be introducing you guys to this website called growbetter.net, as you can see on the screen right here. So all you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account and do exactly the same thing I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, and the link to this website is in the description. All you need to do is to tap on it and it will take you to the website, and you just do exactly what I'm going to show you guys now. So the first thing is to create an account. And how do you create an account? Come to the sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on the sign up, it's going to bring you right here. All you need to do is to create a username right here. Put your username and come to this email. Put your email and come right here and put your password. Confirm your password right here, and you can see this I'm Human, right? The box beside it. Tap on it and it's going to load, and once it loads, it's going to tick, and once it ticks, all you need to do is to click on this sign up right here. And this is the sign up. Tap on it and your account is going to be created. But because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account again. So all I need to do basically is for me to log into my account and start showing you guys exactly how to use this platform. So let's go. So right here, as you can see right here, I've logged in, and you can see when you log in, it's exactly how it looks like. So the first thing we need to do is for us to come to this category right here. And you see this category right here. Just tap on it, and you can see Instagram followers, TikTok followers, and so in this video, we are looking for Facebook followers. So all we need to do is just to scroll down right here, and right here you can see Facebook page follower. Can you see Facebook page followers right here? Tap on it, and right here you see service right here. You just need to tap on the service and select the preferable service. I like selecting the first one, and next thing you need to do is to read the description. This description is actually what describe what you are about to purchase, right? So they say minimum you can order is 100, and the max you can order is 1 million followers. You can actually get 1 million followers in this platform. They also say the link you need is your Facebook page or profile link, right? They say the service starts instantly, but if the order density increases, the start time may vary from 0 to 2 hours. They also say refuel is 30 days, and they say note when the service is busy, the speed of starting the process may vary. Do not place a second order on the same link before your order is completed in the system, right? Easy peasy. So the next thing you need to do is to come to this page, the road link, and paste your profile link, right? Easy peasy. So if you don't know how to copy your profile link, let me show you how to do that. You need to come to Facebook, right? When you come to Facebook, you just need to enter your profile. Once you enter your profile here, you just need to come to these three dots right here. Can you see these three dots right here? You need to tap on it and scroll down, and right here you can see this page, your page link right here. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, your link is copied. But before then, I want you guys to actually see that we have 544 followers before we place this order. So if we come back, we're going to see these followers are going to increase, right? So we don't need to come and paste our link right here and come to this quantity, which is the amount of followers you want. Then we don't need to put 100 because I just want only 100 now. Then the next we need to do is to click on this submit right here. Can you see the submit right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see they said your order is received. Easy peasy. So all you need to do is for you to wait, and this order will start coming into your page. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how then do you fund account in this platform? Is very simple. All you need to do is to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it. By left hand side, you can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it, and all you need to do next is for you to actually come and click on this dots right here. Can you see this dots right here? It will show you the two payment option in this platform, which is Quora Pay and manual. So I'm going to show you guys how to use both of them. If you select Quora Pay, put the amount you want to pay and click on this pay, right? So once you click on it, Quora Pay is going to ask you how would you like to pay, pay with debit card, pay with bank transfer, or pay with bank. If you select pay with debit card, put your card details right here and click on pay, and your payment will be updated. Then if you want to pay with bank transfer, come select bank transfer, and right here read this instruction right here and tell them I understand the instruction, and click on this continue right here. Once you tap on the continue, Quora Pay is going to provide you account number. You can see the account number on the screen, and all you need to do is to make payment to this account number. You don't need to do anything. It will automatically update by itself, right? Easy peasy. So let me show you guys how to use manual. If you want to use manual, all you need to do is for you to come right here, select manual, and read the instruction. Instruction said kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number. You can see first bank. They say do not send below or 1,000 naira, it won't be refunded. They say provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin. So all you need to do is basically, when you make payment to this account number, send them your proof of payment. How do you do that? Just click on this contact us right here. It will take you to the WhatsApp, or click on this WhatsApp icon right here. It will take you to the WhatsApp. Send your proof of payment and your Grow Better username, and they're going to complete your payment. So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So let's go back to Facebook to confirm if the followers we ordered has already started counting. So we don't need to come back right here. And remember, before we place an order, we had 544 followers. So all we need to do is to leave Facebook like this and come back again, right, and go to our profile, and you can see right here currently we have 644 followers, which means that the followers have already counted. So this is how you can actually boost your Facebook followers very fast in 2026. All you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, and do exactly the same thing I did, and you'll be able to get this follower, right? The link is in the description. All you need to do is to tap on it, and it will take you to the website. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.